Hello everybody, and welcome back for another Toolbox safety topic video. Before we get started, make sure you give me a thumbs up down below here to encourage me to make more videos. Also, subscribe to my YouTube channel where you will find additional Toolbox safety topic videos, safety related videos, and leadership training videos. Well, let's jump right in. Today's Toolbox topic video is on horseplay. Now, horseplay has no place on a construction site. What may be intended as a harmless prank can lead to an accident that results in damage, injuries, or death. Construction workers face too many hazards on the job every day. We don't need one more. Practical jokers make accidents more likely and add unnecessary danger and cost to the workplace. Consider some examples of horseplay and the possible consequences for the victim of the prank. Sneaking up on someone in order to scare them. Now, if the victim is operating a dangerous tool, he could become startled and may cut off his finger, lose an eye, or drill a hole through his hand. The startled victim could also lose his balance and fall off a ladder or a scaffold. Spraying someone with compressed air. Now, this can potentially cause serious eye, ear, and skin injuries. Compressed air can rupture an eardrum and make someone deaf. Throwing any object, especially a heavy or sharp object, to a coworker. Back injury can occur when the victim tries to catch the heavy object, and a sharp object can easily pierce the skin or become lodged in the victim. Booby trapping or altering a tool, a bench, a work area, or piece of equipment. The victim could receive a deadly shock from electrical equipment or be disabled from injuries caused by a falling object. Now, damaging a coworker's personal protective equipment. The unknowing victim will think he's protected when he really isn't. Pushing or tripping. Your coworker could stumble or fall, causing pain, broken bones, or a concussion. Now, what can you do to stop horseplay? Never encourage, initiate, or participate in horseplay. Most jokers are usually just looking for attention from an audience. Don't provide it. Let your coworker know that you will not let his disruptive behavior continue. Remind the practical joker that he could lose his job and be criminally prosecuted if he causes an injury or death. Some states will prosecute a joker because the injury resulted from a deliberate act rather than an accident. Report horseplay to your supervisor. Horseplay and practical jokes usually involve the humiliation of a victim. Now, the victim might respond with verbal confrontations, physical assaults, or a desire for retaliation that can lead to arrest, further injury, and legal action. As a final safety reminder, in just a fraction of a second, horseplay can turn from playful to fatal. Okay guys, that's it for the toolbox safety topic for this week. Keep that in mind, no horseplay on a construction site. There's too many hazards around us already. Until we see each other again, take care of yourself because you're number one. Keep an eye out for your co-workers and ensure their safety. And I will see you in the field.